everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are gonna whip up a wonderful anti-aging facial serum. This is an overnight serum that when applied to your skin at night, you're gonna wake up in the morning looking radiant, glowing with clear skin. Now in this serum I'm using ingredient that contains vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, and all of these are antioxidant that is great for your skin. So if you're looking for a overnight facial serum that is going to transform your skin when used on a regular, this video is for you. So continue watching. Now take a look at the first ingredient and you might be wondering what this is. This is dried rose petal powder. The rose petals has been blended after drying to a powder. Now, why am I using rose petal powder in this remedy? I'm using rose petal powder because it is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants which help to boost the collagen production and strengthen the skin cells and tissue. It's effective when you apply it to the skin to remove blemishes, acne scars, and it's also great for hydrating the skin. Now let's take a look at our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is fresh milk. Now milk is rich in B vitamins, alpha hydroxy acid, calcium and other potent antioxidant which is great for the skin. It will help to nourish skin cells from deep within the skin and keep skin moisturized all day. Milk also contains vitamin A which treats dry, flaky and peeling skin. It also contains D vitamin which is good for glowing skin, and it also contains biotin for healthy skin, heal dried, withered skin, and revitalize dry, cracked skin. Milk also have protein in it, which helps to repair the skin tissue and promote strong, wrinkle-free skin. Next ingredient is vitamin E. Now, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that is effective in restoring damage done to the skin. Vitamin E also helps to nourish and protect the skin from free radicals. It's a perfect anti-aging facial oil to not only soften the skin but also to get rid of dark under eye circles. Vitamin E oil will not clog the pores. It will penetrate deep into the skin and just have your skin looking firm, bright, radiant when used on a regular. Moving on to our next ingredient, which is rosehip oil. Now, rosehip oil is a wonderful oil to use on the skin. It is rich in vitamin A, which is known to help to fight against age spots and hyperpigmentation on the skin. Rosehip oil is great for anti-aging purposes. It is also packed with molecules that are small enough to penetrate deep into the layers of the skin, improving moisture and collagen levels while reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Now moving on to the next ingredient, which is cornstarch. Now cornstarch is very absorbing. It is great to use on oily skin since it will absorb the oil from the skin, but we are using the cornstarch today for its tightening properties. It will help to tighten the skin, firm the skin while getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. So now let's put these ingredients together. Before we start, I suggest that you warm the milk. We need the milk to be very hot. You can choose to warm this on the stove top or even in a microwave. Now let's begin. 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch. Moving to the next ingredient, which is the rose petal powder, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the rose petal powder. If you have rose water, you can also use it in this recipe, or even some rose petal. Just make sure to blend the rose petal. Now we are going to mix the two dry ingredients together. Make sure to get rid of any lumps that the cornstarch might have. Once this is completely blended together, you're going to take your hot milk, and you need about 2 tablespoons of the hot milk. And then you you are gonna mix. Now if it seems like it need a little bit more milk, go ahead and pour it in. Now what is gonna happen is that when you mix the hot milk with the cornstarch and the rose powder, it's gonna get really thick. So just blend well, make sure to get rid of all the lumps and completely blend smooth. Now while we're blending, we're going to pour a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil in our mix, and we're also going to pour 1 teaspoon of the rosehip oil and continue to blend. Now keep blending until it is smooth. Now take a look at this up close. This is our anti-aging, collagen boosting, skin tightening overnight facial serum. Now to store this, store it in your refrigerator for up to about 7 days. Now let's move on to how to use. To use this, you want to make sure to start with clean skin as with any other facial serum. So just rub it in your hands and warm the cream up and then apply it to your skin in circular motion. Now once you apply this to the skin, you are going to feel it very moisturizing. However, there also going to be a tightening sensation while the facial serum is drying. Not to worry, that is the facial serum working. Now look at my hands. You could clearly see that you can blend this out completely and it's just going to leave a glow on the skin. Now sleep with this overnight preferably, and up on the rising in the mornings, just rinse this off with some warm water. Now if you choose to use this in the daytime, you need just a little touch, so I prefer to use this at night. Use as often as you wish. Don't forget to go down on your neck and your décolleté area. If you have sagging skin, loose skin, this is great for your skin. Also guys, this is perfect for your upper lip wrinkles and your forehead wrinkles. So use it for a week, 2 weeks, and then come back and leave a comment and let me know how well this works for you. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Share it with your friends. Share it with your family. And if this was the first time watching, I'm sure you want to see more of these videos. So look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, right on the left, there's my face. If you click on that, it will take you to my channel page. Once you're on my channel page, you'll get a chance to see a wide variety of videos that you might be interested in. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.